Coming up is table saw. It's, in my opinion, the most fun rapid on the river. It's steep, it's narrow, and there's a lot of water. It's about 25 feet wide. It's bouncy and it's steeper than the Olympic course, but there's nothing really bad down here. If I tell you to get down, do it, because there is a bad rock at the bottom. I don't want you to swim there. Give me one. I don't often hit it, but it could happen. Give me two. Give me two more. I'm a little offline, but I can fix it. I'm not in a hurry. Uh-oh, he's running one of my lines. Give me two. Oh, he did it different. That's cool. Give me two now. Guide ejector, stand up, Fred. Wow, he caught safety even. That was great. That clean line too. Give me one. I think he wanted to photobomb the video. Give me two, team. Give me one more. Dig it hard. And another for good luck, so I don't run a kayak line by mistake. Big bump. Give me two, dig them.